your girl Tisha K, back with another video. Hello. For my subscribers, I know y'all gonna ready to bop me upside my head, but your girl is back and I'm coming to stay, okay? I got so much content I'm ready to give you guys, okay? And hold me up to that. I mean, y'all can spam my social media, my personal social media, for the updates. But we're gonna hop into this video. This video is gonna be me turning my dining room area into a home-based studio, because I am a newly lash tech, mink lash artist, and I'm also a 2-time certified permanent makeup artist, where I do ombre micro shaded eyebrows, and I also do lip neutralization and lip blushing. And your girl is in college. I've been holding out on this for at least a semester and a half, 2 semesters really, but I have some nursing school content coming for you guys, a lot of new content. But I know you guys ready for me to start jamming. I can give y'all a story time about where I've been and what's going on, and why I wear glasses now, because that's a crazy story why I wear glasses. But we're gonna hop right on to this video, okay, you guys? This video for my return subscriber. Y'all know that dining room table I had, right? That setup got 8K views. It was really, really nice. But I'm turning into a lash, a cosmetics salon, studio area. So I want you guys to stay tuned for that. But we're gonna hop on into this video. Regular cleaning gloves on. I'm just gonna put these on, because I just got my nails did, and I'm about to use bleach and stuff, and I don't want this stuff to be chipping and breaking my nails. Baby, who is this? Okay. I'm just using a regular spongy. I don't know how to get up here. Okay, I left my step stool up in the bathroom, and I still can't reach you with this step stool. Okay, it was in the kitchen. Yeah. Maybe I didn't think this through. I didn't think it through. Okay, so I just attempted to wipe the walls. I sprayed bleach and everything on the walls, but I'm not tall enough to reach all the way up there. So yeah, I didn't think that part through. I don't know how I'm gonna get the. Okay, maybe I can rinse my mop out, clean the mop bucket, and then wipe the walls like that. That's nasty, y'all. I'm gonna rinse it out in the tub with bleach and everything, and rinse it real good. I don't know. I mean, I already got the kind that separate the dirty water from clean water, so my mop ain't dirty for real, if we being honest. Y'all gonna judge me? Y'all gonna judge me. don't judge me, because I'm talking about y'all back. Okay, so I done rinsed my mouth out and everything with hot water and bleach and everything. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just use the mop to wipe the walls, because evidently I'm not tall enough, and this is the only best solution I came up with without me having to leave home, because I'm tired of going to Lowe's and Walmart and everything, because I'm ready to start on this project. Okay? Don't do too much in my comment section. I'm not playing with y'all. So yes, let's get it started. Ooh, it smells so good and fresh. So I done finally got done with this section. I done bleached the walls, the baseboards, swept them off the floor. This is gonna be the black wall. This is gonna be the accent wall. I'm actually not gonna keep these mirrors up here because I just don't think they're gonna go aesthetically with what the look I'm going for. I just got them up here because I don't want to leave this wall blank until I actually get the black contact paper to put up there. And I just want to go ahead and start on the project, y'all. So, yeah. And I have a really small apartment, so this was all my school crap that was in the dining area. This is the actual dining table, the bar stools, in the dining bench area. I'm going to put it in the storage. I might sell it on Facebook Marketplace or something. I don't know. Oh, you know, my aunt about to move. She might actually want it. I'll see if she want it. But unfortunately, like, cause this actually was a look in my dining room area was actually a look. Y'all, my YouTube, y'all see me I put y'all. It was a look for real. But I can't keep it because I got a small apartment and I was gonna move and whatnot for a 3-bedroom and everything. But that's another story because your girl is in college and trying to make stuff work. So yeah, we just have to do what we got. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to figure out something. I'm going to also transform my living room area too. So y'all stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let's get started on this project. Well, it looked like I was wrong with the measurements of this wallpaper. I only had 2 strips when I get down cut out. So I might need another pack of these. So I'm definitely gonna use that other one that I thought I was gonna use. So let's watch me struggle to put it up. So I'm not liking this too much. The people who painted my walls half-ass painted these walls, and it's a lot of like blotches on the wall, like these drips of paints and everything, markings like this where they didn't like fill in the holes and go over. They just half-ass did this, so it's causing my wallpaper to have a lot of bubbles in it and not spread all the way across. And you can see I have it lined all the way up, and then as I come down it spaces out. So, and I'm in here trying to piece it together and it's looking raggedy as hell. So I think I'm about to pull all this off and I'm done. I'm just gonna have to paint over it or something. I don't know. He no help. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Like, the paint not even black, y'all. Back to Walmart we go. Cause look at these. What do it say is white egg? So we got the white paint, black. Told y'all that one thing, it's another. My son dropped the paint in the parking lot before we even got in the store. Look at my hand. All of my nails. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Let's try this again for the third time. Okay, y'all, still gonna be a little ghetto. I still didn't buy a step stool. How I keep forgetting about it. So y'all, I'm using my bar stool again to stand up and put the parameters on all.